Hello guys. Today I gonna teach you how to use mobile as a webcam to your computer. Let's start the video.
California dreaming about you.
Go to a web browser. Search for DroidCam website. Link is in the description. Download it. And extract it. And click on Next. And click on I agree. And click on Install. Now I am doing on mobile. Go to Play Store. And search for DroidCam application. Install it. Open it. Click on Next. Click on Get it. Allow the permissions. And type the Wi-Fi IP address in the computer, which is given in your mobile. And type the DroidCam port number also. And click on Start. It is connected. For testing we will go to Online Video Recorder. Thanks for watching.